Oh, I stopped it. Hey, what's going on, City Slickers? Checking on the van. She's all right. I would have drove the van, but no light change. But I don't want to lose the parking. Come on. All right, Ali.
Hi, brother. See you later, okay?
My man. I see you later. All right.
Okay, boss. Thank you.
Well, you be here by, oh, you leave around 1, right?
I'm leaving 12.
Oh, I see you before you leave.
Yeah.
All right, Ali. If Made in Puerto Rico was open, I'd go there right now for breakfast. They not. It's a little rough out here. I got my Long John shirt. Long John. It's not a game. Remember I told you? Oh, I got my pajamas on. But I got this jacket. I told y'all. It's a jacket, but it comes with my pajamas. Got my El Barrio shirt. El Barrio. For those of y'all that are not from New York, El Barrio is Spanish Harlem, 116. Spanish side. She's working me. She's working me. Yeah, I feel like that too. So yeah, Spanish Harlem. We call it El Barrio in New York. On the east side of Harlem. That's Spanish Harlem, El Barrio. So if you ever see this El Barrio, you know that's where that's from. I got it when I went to the festival. Remember I made the vlog, but y'all didn't see behind the scenes. Me eating a lot of different stuff and buying different stuff. All right, let me get a soda. I need to get to Target, gotta buy a heater, because I didn't take out my AC and we froze. So I'm gonna take out the AC today, but I need a heater too, just in case. So let me get a soda. I need to wake up. And thinking about IHOP. All right, need my soda. Shut, because if I go to IHOP, I'm gonna have to get a juice. I'm ready. Let's fill up the car too. This ain't the van. The van is $100. Prius is like $14.99. All right, guys. I'm gonna say bye to my man Siaki. I see you.
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's
That's
up?
my
What's
man
up?
right
What's
there.
up?
Oh, that's the man dropping the gas off. What's your name?
Mina.
Mina. All right, Mina.
All right, bye.
All right, guys. See you in a minute. The guy that I told you that delivered the gas, he's driving this. And you know, he's driving this and people still don't get it, you know. They don't understand that he has this big truck and he has to maneuver, and I always tell him, you know, don't let these people get to you. I'll be afraid to hold the phone and pump gas. Hold on. Yeah, guys, one time I saw it on the news, I think on TMZ, this guy, and it happened to a lady. They was pumping gas while they was on the phone, and they just caught on fire. So I'll be a little skeptical about pumping gas on the phone. I try to avoid it. I think it has something to do with static or whatever it is, but I know it happened, so it's always on the back of my mind, you know, when I pump the gas, try to not be on the phone. I put $15. It didn't even take it. 4 gallons. $4 bucks. $2.95. Not bad. I told him here 15. It shouldn't take no more than 15. But I think I have something in there, so I guess that's why I didn't take the 15. And let me go in there and get my 350. 1150. Unbelievable. The van would have been like 100 right now. Whoa, it's freezing. It's time to put the heater. So check it out, guys. It was 1150, right? Yeah. And the Prius, it works with squares. So 10 squares equals a full tank. Check it out. I got 10 squares. From the E to the F is 10 squares. You see it? Not bad, right? And I thought it was 15 bucks. It was 11 something, but I guess I had something in the tank. All right, let's go. I'm gonna stop by Target, pick up that heater, and then try to make it to IHOP. I'm trying to do all of this. Right now it's 8 o'clock in the morning. So my son is sleeping, she's sleeping, it's freezing out here. So that's why I said, let me just run out, do what I have to do. I like to run the supermarket early, do my stuff early. I'm an early bird. I'm used to getting up. Fixing elevators, I used to work from like 6 to 2. So I have to get up by 4:30, leave Staten Island by 4:30 and get to Queens unless I have a job in the Bronx or whatever. But I was in Far Rockaway for a while too. All right, guys, come on, let's go to Target. I need to get that heater. I'm freezing. And I'm gonna pull that AC out my window today. All right, come on, let's go to Target. Talk to me nice, talk to me nice. Who's this? Talk to me nice. Who's that? Guys, here we go. I hear a noise on my front left wheel. Listen. Oh, man, it's always something. Why did it start happening like Christmas time? The cars start acting funny. Oh man. I hear that noise. I can't be driving cars with noise. I feel funny. I feel like, no, I gotta get this fixed. Man, it's terrible. Nobody's here. Lifting up the gate. I like that. Gotta lift up the gate sometimes. Get there, early bird. What I need that heater, that's all. I'm not gonna go crazy, even though I could go for some more spray. The Old Spice spray. Y'all see I'm not playing. I got my long johns on. Let me show y'all again. Hold on. Wait. Nah, it's serious. It's serious out here, it's cold. That's how you know it's getting cold, when people don't even want to go shopping. Usually this place is packed. Even though it's pretty early, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. I hope they got this heater. I threw a heater out this week, but it's one of them big ones. It look like an old heater, old style, but I like this little one. A little heater be fine. That's all I need. All right, let's get to the heaters. Jesus. I had to tell my man to flush, bro. Whoa, can't breathe. Oh, he must have got here late or something, but it was one of the workers because I heard his radio go off. Excuse me, you know where the heaters are?
It's in C38.
C38, thank you. Wow, lift up the gate for real. C38. C38. All right, let's get over there. Wow, I never seen Target like this. Did I really just lift up the gate? Am I the first customer? C2. It says C38. All right, let's get to the heaters. Guys, I gotta stop this video. I didn't know it was at 10 minutes. But I'm thinking about this. I've been dying for this indoor grill. Oh, look at the new wave. I was looking at this. Revolutionary. I was looking at that and this. The smokeless grill. So yeah. Now I don't know which heater to buy because last year I bought a little round one. It was like this and it did the job. So I don't know. Right now I'm thinking this one, or this one. Something small, not too bulky. This one turns. So all right, let me get this heater, guys. Thinking about IHOP right now. I'm already at 11 minutes. I'm thinking about IHOP. Hopefully, I see you guys at IHOP. Yeah, let's go to IHOP. Pretty hungry. Like that, I get home, I don't have to bother, huh? And I don't have to cook, even though it only takes me like a minute to cook an egg. But I haven't been to IHOP in a while. All right, guys, I'm gonna see you on the next vlog. Peace. Shazam. Lifting up the gate at Target. Breakfast shopping. I'm hungry now. Let's go to IHOP. Should I? She's gonna be like, oh, why didn't you come back and get us? I'm gonna be like, because you were sleeping. Yeah. Peace. Later.